Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can receive and send notifications about the new orders that you're getting on your WooCommerce store. So guys, for that, we are going to connect WooCommerce plugin of WordPress as the trigger application and WhatsApp as the action application inside our workflow of automation. And after that, as and when you are going to receive any new order, you will receive a notification message of that order on your WhatsApp, and simultaneously your customer will also receive a notification message of that order, and this is going to happen automatically. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, and with the help of Pabbly Connect you can set up this automation very easily without any coding. Let me show you how. Guys, this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and we have pasted the same link in the description. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks to set up and test your automation. So you can sign up right now, and after that you have to log in and you have to reach the Pabbly Connect product and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you have to click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to your automation. So I'm giving the name as WooCommerce order notifications on WhatsApp. Alright, so after giving the name like this, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is started getting ready. And here you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So guys, trigger here is that event which is going to trigger this workflow or start this automation, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. So first of all, we need to connect the trigger application here in which the trigger event is going to occur, and here we have to connect the action applications. Okay, so our trigger application is WooCommerce, so you have to search for it here. Here it is, select it, and then you have to select the trigger event. So the trigger event would be a new order created, so it will trigger when a new order is created. Select this and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with WooCommerce plugin, and after that we are going to capture the response of that connection. For that you need to follow these instructions written here, guys. So you can just read the instructions and follow them. I'll show you directly how you can make a connection. So first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of your WordPress. This is it. Here you will find the WooCommerce plugin section like this. From here, click on settings and you will reach the settings page. So this is the settings page, and here you will find this advanced tab. Click on advanced, and under the advanced page you will find this webhooks tab. Click on webhooks. Alright, and here you have to add a new webhook. So just click on this add webhook button, and here these fields will show up. From here you can give a name to this connection. So I am giving the name as WhatsApp notifications. All right, and here you have to make the status as active. Then you have to select the topic on which you want to send the data from your WooCommerce to your workflow. So here you will find all these events here. From here you have to choose order created option. Click order created, and here we have this delivery URL field. Here you have to paste this webhook URL. Just copy it and paste it here in the delivery URL field like this. Okay, keep this secret blank and select the API version as it is. No need to change anything, and here you have to click on save webhook button and your webhook connection will be created here. Alright, so you can see the webhook is saved here. You can see webhook updated successfully, and here you can see when the webhook got updated, it will show you the webhook ID in this response section. Okay, now guys, you have to click on this recapture webhook response button like this, and then click on yes. So it will start listening to your webhook connection. It started showing waiting for the response. So this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means now we are going to create a test order from the backend of your WooCommerce. You can do that manually. You can create an order, and the data of that order will be captured here as the test data to set up this automation further. So I'm going to open my WooCommerce store, and we'll create an order manually. That will be a demo order, not an original one. So I'm opening my store. So guys, this is my WooCommerce store, and here let us purchase this smartwatch. I'm adding this product to cart. Okay, from here I'm going to click on proceed to checkout, and these are the details of any existing customer. You can see the dummy is the first name and test is the last name. Okay, and these are all dummy details I have entered here, and here I'm going to click on place order, and the order will be placed. Okay, you can see the order is getting placed here, right? So you can see it is the payment method is cash on delivery, and these are the order details you can see. Right, now let's see in our workflow if we got the data of this order or not. And guys, here you can see we got the data captured of the order, and here you can see the order ID is this 56698. This is the same order, you can see 56698. Okay, and here the currency details are INR. This is the date of the order. This is the total amount of the order. This is the customer's name. This is the billing address. This is all other details that my customer has filled is captured here like this as the test data. Now guys, we captured the data, and I want to send a message to this customer first that your order is confirmed and we are going to deliver your order on this such and such date. So guys, for that we need to connect WhatsApp here because we want to send the message on WhatsApp. So guys, to connect with WhatsApp here, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's API or application programming interface, and we are going to use WhatsApp's own cloud API platform for getting that access. So before using cloud API feature here, first of all you need to create your application inside the cloud API platform and set up your cloud API first. So you can watch the video from the description guys. We have clearly explained everything about the cloud API and how you can use it for sending messages. Okay, so after setting up your cloud API, you can use the feature here. So here you have to just search for WhatsApp's cloud API. Here is the option, select it. All right, and in the action event, you have to select this send template message option. Then click on connect. And from here, if you're making the connection for the very first time with the cloud API, you have to select add new connection option. Here it will ask for the permanent access token of cloud API, the phone number ID, and the business account ID details. So if you want to know more about these things, you can just click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page. And here you will find a video on setting up the cloud API inside Pabbly Connect, and a video on generating the permanent access token. And here we have written instructions along with the screenshots on making the connection of cloud API in the trigger and in the action. Okay, so you can just follow the instructions. And for these things, I can show you my cloud API setup. You can see here I am under Meta for Developers page, and here I have created an app and I get my business number verified here. Okay, so here you can see I have this temporary access token. So first they gave you temporary tokens guys, but these tokens expires in 24 hours. So you need to generate a permanent token if you want to run your workflows continuously. Okay, and if you want to know how to do that, you can watch the video from this forum page. Here you can see we have the videos, or you can watch the video from the description as well. And after generating the permanent access token, you can use the same token afterwards also. Okay, and after getting the token, you have to paste it here in this token field. And similarly, you will find this phone number ID here. You can just copy that and paste it here, right? And you will find the business account ID here. You can copy that and paste it here like this. Okay, and after pasting all the things, you have to click on save, and you will be connected with the WhatsApp's cloud API. And making the connection by this process is a one-time process because this connection is going to be saved in your account. So if you want to make the connection again, you can use the saved connections. As I have already made many connections with my cloud API, I can use my saved connections. For that, I just have to select this existing connection option, and here it will show me the list of all the connections I have. From here I can choose any one, and from here I just have to click on save and I'll be connected again. No need to fill all those data again and again. And here you can see we are connected, and here it is asking for the templates name. So before sending messages via your workflow, you have to create message templates inside the Cloud API. Message templates are predefined message structures that you need to create and get them approved from Facebook, and by using the templates you can send the messages. Okay, so for sending a confirmation or a notification message to my customer for the order, I have created a template. Let me show you. And the template is this one. Sorry, this one, order template. And here you can see inside my Cloud API setup, you can read to create your own message template, click here. So when you click on this here word, you will reach the message template section of the Cloud API. And these are all the approved templates I have for different purposes. You can also create such templates, and if you want to know how to create the templates, you can watch the video from the description. We have taught everything in that video, how to create a template and how you can get it approved. Okay, so you can watch that and create these the templates like these. And here you can see in my order template, when I'm going to use this template, the message is going to appear like this on the WhatsApp of the customer. Here it is showing order confirmed. Hello, thank you for shopping with us. Your order of this thing is confirmed. You will deliver your package by this date. And this is kind of a confirmation message. And here you can notice we have this 1 in double curly braces, 2, 3, and 4. So guys, these are the variable tags or the body fields of the message. Okay, so these are the things which are going to change with every new message, like the name of the customer, the product's name, the date of delivery. Okay, and similarly if you have multiple teams, the team's name can also change. Okay, so to get some data changed dynamically with every new message, you have to place these body fields properly inside the message template, and for that you can watch the video from the description, guys. Okay, and after getting the template approved like this, you can use it here inside the workflow. You just have to click here and it will show you the list of all the templates that you have. From here, search for your template's name. This is my template. You can see order. I'm just selecting it. And here you can see after selecting the template, the language code and the template ID will be auto-populated. No need to do anything. Here it will ask for the recipient's mobile number. So in this case, I want to send the message to my customer. So you'll get the customer's WhatsApp number from the test data that you have received here in the trigger. You can see we have this phone number also inside this. You can see I have asked for the billing phone number from my customer. So this is a dummy number I have get. So here I'm going to map this WhatsApp number, guys, and you have to map this WhatsApp number in this format with a country code and without any plus sign. So just click here and it will show you the trigger step and the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have received. So from here, just map this WhatsApp number like this, and you have to add the country code here. You can see we haven't received the country code, so I am manually adding the country code. 91 is for India. You have to enter yours. Okay, and here you can see the body fields are here. So guys, to get this data of the 4 body fields changed automatically and dynamically with every new message, you have to map the values of these body fields inside your workflow. Okay, so let us map the data from the trigger only. So the first body field, you can see, first body field is for the customer's name, second body field is for the product's name, third body field is for the delivery date, and fourth is for the team. So I think we have all the data except the delivery date. We didn't have the delivery date. Okay, so let's say that typically you deliver your product 4 days after the order. We can get that date using a feature of Pabbly Connect here. I'll show you. Here you can see before this step we have this plus icon in between the trigger and the action step. So by clicking on it, you can add one more action step here. Okay, and here I'm going to choose date time formatter feature of Pabbly Connect. With the help of this, I'm going to use an action event which is called modify current date. Okay, so it is going to modify the current date. Current date means the date at which we are getting the order. Okay, click on connect here, and here you can select the date format. So I'm going to use the normal date format that we generally use, which is this one, DDMMYY. Here, let me select the time zone as Asia, Kolkata, as I'm residing in India. And here, I'm going to add 4 more days to the current date so that I'll get the delivery date. Okay, so here I'm going to select the operation as add, units as days, and the value I'm going to put 4. Okay, then click on save and send test request. And here you can see we got the delivery date. Now we can use this date time label as our delivery date. Okay, now let's map the data. Now when you come here, guys, you can see when I'm clicking here, it is not showing the previous steps because we have added one more step before this step. So now we have to refresh the connection with Cloud API. Then the fields will appear. Let me show you. Just click on connected one more time. And from here, keep this existing connection option selected and click on save one more time and your connection will be refreshed. Okay. Now when you click here on this field, you can see it started showing the previous steps. So the body field 1 is for the name of the customer that you will find from the trigger. Here is the name. Let me map the full name here. Okay. Second body field is for the day, is for the product's name. So you will find the product's name also from the trigger. Here you can see our product was the iron press, right? So you will find the product's name. Oh, sorry. Our product was smartwatch. You can see smartwatch. So here it is showing the line item data smartwatch. Select it. Okay. Third body field is for delivery date. So let us map the delivery date from the second step. Okay. Map this date time label, and the fourth body field is for the your store's name or your company's name. I'm just putting Pabbly here just to show you the demo. Okay, so when you map the data like this from the previous steps, what will happen in real time after setting up this automation, whenever you are going to receive the order, these labels are going to update automatically, and every time you will receive new data inside these body fields. Okay, that's why it is necessary to map the details here. This thing is not going to change because I have filled this body field manually, so it will be static. Okay. Now you can check your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request, and a test data will be sent to this WhatsApp number. This is actually a dummy number. Okay. So I'll show you how the message is going to appear by changing this number because this is not an original number. I'm going to put my WhatsApp number here and then I'll click on save and send test request and I'll show you the message. So guys, I have entered my number. Now let me click on save and send test request and let's see what happens. And here you can see new message is received, and I have received a new message. You can see the message is this: order confirmed. Hello dummy test. Thank you for shopping with us. Your order for smartwatch is confirmed. We will deliver your package by 6/9/2022. And you can see in place of the body fields, all the terms that I have mapped here are exactly placed. Okay, the name, the product's name, the delivery date, and you can see Pabbly theme that I have entered here. Okay, like this. So this is how it is going to work. Our connection is working fine with WhatsApp. Now similarly, I'm going to send you can set up this automation for receiving the notification by yourself also. For that, you just have to click here and connect with WhatsApp Cloud API one more time. Okay. Select the action event and send template message, then click on connect. From here, use your saved connection, keep this option selected and click on save, and you will be connected again. And here you just have to change the template. So template for receiving self notifications is this one I have created, new order alert. And here you can see the message is going to look like this. We have received a new order from this person. The order details are these. And the expected delivery date is this. Have a nice day. Okay. This is a kind of self notification message I have created. Now let me select the template's name. The template's name is this, new order alert. Okay, new order alert is here. You can see, select it. All right. And this here, I'm going to just enter my number. I'm just filling a random number. Okay, and here in the body fields, what are the body fields? First of all, the body field is we have received a new order from. Okay, the customer's name. So I'm going to map the customer's name from the first or the trigger step. This is the customer's name. Let us map the full name. Okay, second body field is for the product details, product name, quantity, and delivery date. Okay, you will find the product name from the first step only. And you have to scroll down a bit more here. Here it is, map it. Third body field is for, I think, the delivery date. No, quantity. So you'll find the quantity here also. So here is the display value of quantity. Let me just search for the quantity label. Okay, you can see the line item quantity label is here, map it. And the fourth body field is for the delivery date, which you'll find from the second step, map it like this. Okay, now we are done setting up this automation. You can just click on save, and this step will also be saved here. Now guys, whenever you are going to receive an order, the WhatsApp messages will be delivered to you and your customer automatically like this, like the message I have received, you can see like this. Okay, and you have to set up this automation only once guys. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in the workflow. After that, as and when you are going to receive the order, the workflow is going to run in the background, and the confirmation messages or the notifications will be delivered automatically. And if you want to use this workflow, you can use it, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.